Hi doctor, my
Hi.
name is Shivanjali and this is my file.
What happened?
Basically, I'm having a lot of back pain and neck pain. So on Google, I saw your clinic, so that's why I visited.
Okay. What's your profession?
I work in IT, and
Okay.
maybe because of lots of hours I have to sit, and screen timing is more. So maybe for that reason, I'm having back
From
pain
how many days you are having this pain?
from 1 month.
1 month. Okay. Is it radiating pain?
Yes.
Okay. I will check in the examination now. After that, what is the procedure? We will discuss it later.
Okay. Thank you.
Lay down. In prone position.
Okay.
Keep your hands. See, here you are getting pain.
Yes. Mostly in the neck section
Yes.
and yes, shoulders.
See here. You will
Yeah,
get this pain.
yeah.
చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీ రైట్ సైడ్ వెట్టిపుర తగులుతుంది కానీ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అసలు తగలట్లేదు నాకు.
Hmm.
చూడండి దీనివల్ల మీకు పెయిన్ రైట్ సైడ్ ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇలా పాస్ అవుతుంది హిప్ ద్వారా. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ
Okay.
దాకా వస్తుంది.
Right.
మీకు ఫుల్ బాడీ అలైన్మెంట్ అండి ఇది. యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే మీకు ఇప్పుడు 3 to 4 సెషన్స్ పడతాయి అన్నమాట. దాంట్లో మీకు వచ్చే ట్రీట్మెంట్ కైరో, ఫిజియో, యాక్యుపంక్చర్ అండ్ లాజర్ థెరపీ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఈచ్ సెషన్కి 2 days గ్యాప్ తీసుకుని ఎవ్రీ థర్డ్ డే వచ్చి చేయించుకోవాలి. సరేనా?
Sir.
ఓకే, ఐ విల్ రిలాక్స్ యువర్ మజిల్స్ నౌ.
Okay.
Be free. Relax. I will release your neck region. Okay. Be free. Relax. And that side. Be free. Relax. Is it okay?
Yeah.
And I will release your thoracic region.
Right.
Relax. Is it okay?
Yes.
I will release your lumbar region. Okay.
Okay.
The pain was radiating here now.
Right.
Be free. Relax. Okay.
Yes.
I will release your thoracic back. Okay.
Okay.
Be free. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Again, I will release your lumbar. Be free. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Okay. Turn upwards. Relax. Now I will release your neck region.
Okay.
Raise your neck. Put it in my hands. Relax. Free. See here. You have disc problem here.
Right.
Okay. Be free. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. And this side. See this one. Is it okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's good.
Okay. Come down. I will release your shoulder region. Little bit.
Okay.
Little bit come down. Hold your neck. Neck. Turn that side. Be free. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out.
I can hear the sound.
On that side. Same. Hold your neck. Be free. Relax. Be free. Is it free?
Yes. Thank you so
Okay.
much. It's very nice. It's very nice. मुझे बहुत relief मिल रहा है.
Okay. Okay. I will release your thoracic region on supine lying. Place your hands like this. Raise your neck regions. Okay. Relax. Be free. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Turn this side. I will release your lumbar region. Side lying. Yes. Keep your down leg straight. Little bit front. Yeah. Place your hands. Hold the hip region.
Okay.
For this hand also. Back. Down leg straight. Be free. Relax. Turn this side. Down leg straight. Little bit front. Little bit front. Down leg straight. Place your neck back side. Be free. Relax. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Are you be free?
I'm feeling very good. Very
Okay.
good.
Sit this side. Come here. First thing, I will release your neck region, ma'am.
Okay.
After that, you will be free at neck region. Okay? Be free. And next this one. Be free. Okay?
Yeah, it's feel nice.
I will release your shoulder now.
Okay.
This head.
Yeah, it's nice.
This head.
Wow, it's feel really nice.
Okay.
I feel so light.
Okay.
Thank you.
First thing, I will release your upper thoracic region. Place your hands like this.
Okay.
Okay. Be free. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Move front. Interlock your hands. Lock. I will release your thoracic region. Be free. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out.
It's nice.
Okay.
I can feel it that I'm feeling very lightweight.
Okay. How is the session now?
It's really good. I felt really nice. All the pains are gone now. I feel very much lighter and very good. Thank you so much.
అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే మీరు ఎక్కువసేపు కూర్చోకూడదు, లాంగ్ సిట్టింగ్ లాంగ్ స్టాండింగ్ చేయకూడదు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అవి కూడా మీకు లాస్ట్ సెషన్ లో చెప్తాను.
ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.